Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to fix the Netflix "too many people are using your account" error. So let's get started. First, open Safari on your iPhone. Over here, go to the Netflix.com website and sign in to your account. After that, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner. Then tap Account. Over here, scroll all the way down and tap Sign out of all devices. After that, tap Sign out to confirm. Then wait for Netflix to sign out all devices that are using your account. Over here, close the Netflix app completely. After that, open the Netflix app again and tap Sign in. Then enter your username and password and sign in to your account. Over here, try streaming any series or movie again. After that, the screen limit error should be gone, and you should be able to stream your content without the "too many people are using your account" message. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.